Hi, this is a very short video on how to look at feedback on your assignments. Sometimes students are not familiar with Ivy Learn and may not be aware of the feedback that their instructors are providing them. And I think that the purpose for feedback is so students will do better on their next assignments. So we're going to look at how to look at feedback when you've submitted your assignments on Ivy Learn. So first of all, you can go to your home page and then you can look on grades. When a grade has been submitted for you, the number pops up, and so you know that you have a grade. So you can just click on grades and go into your grades and see where your assignments are. And you can see that we have some we don't have very many scores because this is a test student, but if you look right here, we do have an assignment. And typically students will look over here to see if there are any comments. And frequently the instructor will leave some comments. And then I also encourage students to look at the grading rubric. So many of our assignments have grading rubrics, so look at where you earned your points and maybe where you missed some points. So here it looks like I missed about 1.5 points, so let me go down and see if I can find why I lost those points. I'm going to guess that probably I did not meet this criteria, that you had the assignment had a concise, exact, and clear thesis statement, and that it clearly included 3 main points. It looks like the paper was given 3.5, or the article review was giving 3.5, so probably some type of a thesis statement, but everything may not be completely clear and concise. Or maybe the points were very vague. Sometimes students try to cover everything that's in the article rather than trying to look at the 3 main points that the author is using to support their thesis statement. So think about how when you write a paper that you have thesis statements and then you have evidence to support that thesis statements, and those would be your main points that you're going to identify in a concise, exact, and clear way, so that when the instructor reads your paper, they can find those very clearly. After you're finished looking at those, you can always close them off. And then one piece of feedback that sometimes students miss is if you come back over here and click on your assignment, it will pull up the assignment that you submitted, but it also has a little tab here where it says that you can view feedback. And as an instructor, I frequently write feedback over in the column of the paper, and students need to go into that paper to be able to see what those comments are. And this is interesting. So if you expand it a little bit, you can see the different comments that I've made on this paper. So I frequently will make comments about writing or spelling or punctuation. And so I just wanted students to be aware of where they might find feedback on their paper and take advantage of that when writing their next paper. And of course, if you ever have any questions about the grades you have earned or the points you've earned, you can also ask your instructor. Thank you.